And it is Sunday, March 13th, and these babies are 2 weeks old. And we're going to zoom in here a little bit. Yeah. Got darling baby kittens. Brand new, their eyes are just opening up. Yeah, it was a little bit too. There we go. And we've got 5. Yeah. Little tubby ears. And we got mommy. Where's the other one? She's taking them away. She's camera shy. Mommy. That's angel ears. Yes. And these are fat little chubby ones. Because mommy gets fed 3 times a day. All the meat she can eat. Getting that right. And she's got dry food. And the man too. Getting that right. Got beautiful green eyes and beautiful domestic kitten. Quite the purr. Chirper. Yeah, but with the kitties. That's cute. That is so cute. Big pink tummy. Yeah. Beautiful little brown eyes. Tortoise shell. Beautiful markings. There we go. And that's what we got for today. And there's Daddy. That's the Fosters. That's a good boy. And he's a natural bobtail. And the little one's got bobtails too. And they're just babies. Okay, that's it. 2 weeks old.